Start by introducing HTML, hypertext markup language, as the standard markup language for creating web pages. Explain that HTML uses a set of tags to structure and format the content of a web page. HTML document structure. 1. Document type declaration. Explain the doc type declaration and its role in specifying the HTML version being used, e.g., for HTML5. 2. HTML element. Mention the and elements as the two main sections within the element. 3. Head section. Explain common elements within the head section, such as and . 4. Body section. Explain that the element contains the visible content of the web page. Introduce various HTML tags that can be used to structure and format content within the body section. Basic HTML tags. 1. Headings. Introduce the heading tags, to for creating different levels of headings. 2. Paragraphs. Discuss the tag for creating paragraphs of text. 3. Links. Explain the tag and its href attribute for creating hyperlinks. Discuss the difference between absolute and relative URLs. 4. Images. Introduce the tag for adding images to a web page. Explain the src attribute to specify the image URL and the alt attribute for providing alternative text. 5. Lists. Describe unordered lists using the and tags. Explain ordered lists using the and tags. 6. Formatting. Introduce basic formatting tags such as